Thank you, Campeasy. So this is the Viking 4x4 van that we rented. It is huge. It is really awesome. It has amazing lights and it's really big inside. It also came with a lot of, we got some extra perks and everything with it. So I'm gonna show you guys the outside. It is a Volkswagen crafter van with automatic 4x4 that has been modified to be a camper van. When visiting Iceland, make sure whatever you rent is 4x4, as many roads are not paved and you will sure miss many amazing places to visit. So there is a ladder on the back, which is really freaking cool. So you can go up to the roof if you wanted to. The spare tire is on the back, which thank God, because if we got a spare and it was underneath, that is always a little bit of a pain. So they have given us that on the back. It also comes with winter tires as a safety feature. Okay, this is all the stuff they gave us, but I'm just gonna show you guys quick. Oh, there is 2 beds and there's a little table here with some storage underneath, and this changes to a bed. Super crazy in here, but I am literally standing here. So much room space. And we got given the bedding, towels, and then we also got a toilet for our sanity, just because it is winter and we don't want to be dealing with that. I mean, there's a light up there for the table section, and a light up there for that area. We also have some hooks as well as seat belts in the back seat for when more people are traveling. And is that it is insulated with sheep's wool. So when you are touching the sides, they feel nice and soft. If you're outside in the winter and you come back inside, you do not want to be touching metal. That would be the absolute worst experience you could ever have. So it has been really nice in the bed area, which currently Nicole is typing some little things. It's right there. We can cuddle on the side there. Has been really nice. Of course, the messes still exist. We have cleaned up and packed a bit, but not so good. We've got this little freezer, this little fatty here. Has kept all of our food cold for the most part. You can fit quite a bit. We usually have like the basics in here for breakfast, yogurts, milk, that kind of stuff. It has died on us a few times when the voltage gets really bad. Really cute little sink. This is where the water comes from. Just like some storage here. This is like the cooking gear that they give us. You do have to kind of have some sort of ventilation with this, just because it does have some carbon monoxide that, you know, it is an open flame, so you just have to be careful with that. We usually just cracked up the door tiny bit. There's the heater that's controlled from there, and it comes out from this area. Cool thing about this van for winter camping is the fact that it has heat. Kind of important. I'm sure that there are vans that you can rent in Iceland that do not have heat, that are meant to be more summer vans. So when you are trying to find a van while you're visiting Iceland, make sure that you can have heat. Very, very important. This camper van has kept us almost too warm, which has been kind of awesome. And you can control it here, which I have filmed it a couple of times. It's currently like on less than half, and this usually stays overnight pretty easily. If the voltage starts to go under 10, it does tend to fry up and not do well. The only time we had issues was when it was -10 and it had trouble kind of keeping up with that. Other than that, it worked pretty good. And the best of it all, little party lights. Well, let's see here, pops up. The disco lights too for the party, which we finally figured out. It only took us God knows how long. There's the color changing. Oh my god. There we go. Winter. Yeah, yeah. Party.
Break it down now.
Nice. So this is the driver's side. I'm just put some of my stuff in there. This is the tablet. It's right there. Some controls, which is awesome. And a ton of headroom space, which is sick. The front dash, I mean not winter camping related, has been really great though, as for our van to put all of our stuff right in the front there. And there's also a ton of USB plugs for you to charge your items. The other cool thing is Campeasy has this tablet which has helped us quite tremendously in our time here when we got stuck up near Akuyeri on the hill, and also when we lost our 4x4 and when we broke our fridge. So this has like its own little proprietary app system which connects with Campeasy, which is kind of nice. So you can always talk with them. The van also has Wi-Fi, which has been pretty good for the most part, isn't it, Nicole? The van? It's been pretty good. Been pretty happy with it. We've only had a few times where it kind of resets, and it's been awesome actually. Iceland has a lot of hot springs, and we have used these hooks a ton. We have dried our stuff here, and because the heat comes from down there, it kind of comes back up and dries it. And we've also learned that these can be little blinds can be used as little clothing racks. What is it? Clothing lines. The most crucial thing for us ladies, men too, but do not poop in there, is this beautiful toilet. It has served us well. We have taken many pees in there, but it allows us to not go outside and freeze our butts off because it is nippy and sometimes quite windy outside. Here's the inside. Very easy to use. There is the blue liquid that keeps it from smelling disgusting that we put in right here, and then this just sort of pops up, and then you can just pour the pee outside. This van can fit up to 6 people.
It's a 9.
Yeah, I think in the summer it could be very, very doable.
Only if you bring a backpack.
Yeah. But I think it is doable. It's just the upstairs currently holding all of our stuff, because unfortunately the back of the van has limited height to this bed area, so we can't actually put our full luggages now. Plus we have so much. We're content creators and we carry a lot of gear, so where does it go? The upstairs. All in all, this camper van is a great alternative to explore Iceland. Being able to stop and go anywhere you want, the fact that the bed is on wheels, that you can store food, and that is winterized, means you can take this camper van in any season while visiting. While it's borderline meant for 6 people, we do think you and your friends can come together and use Campeasy's Viking 4x4 as part of your adventure in Iceland. I'm Khristel, I'm Latina. Please like and subscribe and follow for more Pura Vida. See you on the next episode.